What's up, everybody? This is your boy Austin, the founder of 3D Wholesale, where we actually specialize in helping you get started on Amazon and provide you pallets at wholesale cost of designer brands. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make product listings for Amazon, Shopify, Poshmark, any e-commerce website that you may sell on, how you can take your product images and give it that clean, crisp, digital white background to give you that professional look on the internet. So without further ado, let's dive into the computer. I'm gonna show you how to do this absolutely free with some of the software. And on top of that, as a bonus, if you stay to the very end and you subscribe, we're gonna show you how you can make an additional income using this free software. So without further ado, let's go. All right, everybody, as you can see, we're here in the computer. I'm going to show you exactly what website you can go to use for free to start making extra income online, and also how you can make those professional images for your own product listings on any of your platforms. So let's dive in here. Let's show you. If you look right here, if you go to remove.bg, hit enter. So you can remove image background absolutely free. I'm going to show you how you can use this website for free, and I'm going to show you what platforms I recommend you try freelancing on to make an additional income. So we're going to drop a file right here. I got one set up. We'll just drop image anywhere, and you see it, the original photo. I obviously have a lot of background in it. I have skies, I got mailbox, I got grass, I got everything. And to remove the background, just click remove background, and it shows you exactly how it removes the background. You could go in and edit this if you need to add color, if you need to add a backdrop. So you can do stuff like this. If you want to do any type of like photo, I don't know, more professional images, whether it be like for a Facebook photo, whatever, not professional, but like for just to have a backdrop, you get what I'm saying, a little scenery or whatever you need. They have some built in, different color ones if you just want a solid color background. And then always, you could also take your photo over to Photoshop and do more stuff if you need. However, I just want to show you the most simple thing. This is a PNG format image, so the picture background is transparent when it has this checkered background like this. So we'll just hit accept, whatever. You hit download, and as you see right here, it popped up. It downloaded. I'll drag it in the screen so you can see it. This is what it looks like, and now you can use this image for whatever purposes you may need, whether it be product listings or what have you. So now we've got that figured out. You saw it was absolutely free. You can see right here, I'm not logged in, I'm not signed up, I didn't do anything. It's absolutely free. So now if you go over here, I'm gonna go over to one of my favorite websites. I'm gonna show you two. There's a bunch out there, but I'm gonna show you the two where you can make some good money. And my favorite being Fiverr.com. Don't know if you've ever been to it. So it's spelled Fiverr.com. This is a freelance website where you can sell your skill sets or services, whatever it may be. And for example, let's go right here to the search bar and try remove. Like you see so much stuff pop up. Remove background from images, Amazon. Like you saw the very first thing I started typing, said Amazon product background remove. A lot of people, because Amazon requires you, as you know, if you're in one of my programs, Amazon requires you to have that digital white background. So just hit remove background. That's not even spelled right. It automatically corrected it. And you can see right here that they have prices starting at $5, $10, $30. They have all different price packages, $50. And all they're doing, we'll click one. I would do Photoshop, photo editing, retouching background. Let's do, I want to find one. Let's click, this is a level 1 seller. Let's say best sellers. How do you do that again? Category service, should use delivery time, budget. Let's just say online sellers. There's a way you could filter it to do the best sellers with like this one right here. I would do Photoshop, photo editing, retouching, background removal, whatever it may be. Let's just click it. One image for $10. You can sell packages of 100 images for $50, $30, $100, where it's only $1 an image. You saw how fast it was and how fast you can make an additional income from it. This person has 3 hours in queues. They have 11,000 reviews. It looks like they do a lot of different things, but if you're only going to specialize, obviously, in the background removal, you want to make sure you make that very clear. I will cut out and remove background professionally. This person literally charges 15 image, remove background, $5. It doesn't take but a minute. I would start low. He's a level 1 seller. He's only got 3 reviews, but you can see the potential to start making money. When I first got started, this is exactly where I went to get my backgrounds removed because I had no idea how to do it. This person says I'll remove background of any 10 images in 24 hours. So the fact, and they got 402 reviews at $5. So you know how it goes. Obviously look through here. Let me show you a second website where you can start doing this and selling this service and making even more money. We could go to freelance. I want to say it's freelance.com. This is not in English. So I don't know what this means. Hold on, let me just type freelance. Freelance. Silence that for you guys. It's the wife. Freelancer. Freelancer.com, that's it. So right here, same thing, earn money freelancing, set up your account, and from there you'll do the exact same thing. Remove product backgrounds, create a digital white background, whatever it may be, and get to it. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and follow us for more videos. We're gonna upload more content related to Amazon, Shopify, and all of e-commerce. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.